Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password on Instagram account. So you need to tap on your Instagram account or application, then tap here on the right bottom corner of your screen is a profile icon, and then again tap the three line right of corner on your screen. So this one, simply tap here and tap settings and privacy and tap the option account center. Then scroll down a little bit. So account center and scroll down, then here you'll see the option personal details, password and security, first one. Then tap the change password and you have to tap on your account. Then you have to give your current password, and after that you have to choose the new password and then retype your password, then tap the change password. So friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.